Hello, today we're going to make a typical Kerala recipe, Kappa Vevichethe or Tapioca mashed. We'll chop up the tapioca, leaving out the central vein, and put it into a pressure cooker, adding enough water to cook for 1 whistle. And then when it's done, we add about 3 teaspoons of salt. Then swirl the pot around to evenly distribute the salt, or add some more boiling water. Then remove the gasket of the pressure cooker and drain the water out like so. Remove the cover and add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Then take about 6 shallots, a tiny piece of ginger, and about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic to offset the gas in the tapioca mainly, and about 2 pieces of green chili, more or less depending on how hot it is. Then crush it all in a mortar. Once it's well crushed, we put a frying pan or skillet on a stove and add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and wait for it to heat up. This dish is actually a typical Kerala dish, and it's equivalent to what the mashed potato is in the West. Then we, of course, here again now we add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and when it splutters, you add the crushed ingredients in the mortar. Next, we add a few curry leaves and stir or saute lightly. Don't wait for it to be to turn light brown. The Africans also eat a lot of tapioca or cassava, and I think those from the African continent might also enjoy this dish. Then we add some grated coconut, about 1 cup. Well, coconuts are used a lot in Kerala. If you don't like it, you can of course leave it out. Then we add all this into the cooked cassava or tapioca. Now mash it up and mix very well to incorporate the sauteed condiments with the cassava. So mix it up very well. This dish goes very well with chicken, fish or beef curries or any similar dish of your choice. And this is very similar to the Western mashed potato and the African pounded yam. So now the dish is served. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share.